once again.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video of the Forgotten Fox body. So in this video we're going to be installing a Fox Tri-Bar emblem, which is this one. So we're going to be installing it onto the fender. I'm just going to clean it, prep it, and we're going to install it. Alright guys, so there you go. It's a pretty neat emblem. So if you guys want one for your Fox, let me know. I'm gonna be able to get you one. So just comment down below to see what you think about the Fox Tri-Bar emblem on the Fox body. So let me know. Alright, so the emblems will come in a 3-piece, 2 fenders, that one and this one, and the one for your whatever you want to use it for, your phone, for your desk, toolbox, or even on the dash. So let me know if you guys want a set of emblems.